All right. This is wild. I've never interviewed somebody in a superhero suit.
It's all right. I've never interviewed somebody who is a model citizen.
You're not here yesterday's podcasting without me saying that.
Right. All right. So real quick, introduce yourself, what company you're with, and why you decided to come to the summit.
So my name's Tucker Holladay. I'm with HFW Industries, where we do a lot of additive spray repair for the oil, gas, electric industry, and do job shop machining as well. I'm here to try and investigate new ways that we can automate our spray technology, because we're currently using some robotic-assisted spray welding.
Okay.
We're trying to modernize and move further into the future of more automated and better reliability robots that can help do our job faster, easier, and better.
That's really freaking cool, man. I don't even know where to follow up on that question, but I'll ask you one of the canned questions. What makes you proud about the work that you do?
So a lot of the parts, pieces, and stuff that we make actually have a hand in almost every part of our society, from glass manufacturing of Kevlar to the making iPhone screens to just making simple textile gloves for the industry here and abroad.
Okay.
Being able to make and produce something and have a hand in being able to make other people's lives easier, better, is really what keeps me going every day.
Awesome. I love that. Let's now attack the elephant or the suit in the room. Tell us about the suit. You made this, you designed this. How? And it's awesome. So tell me more.
So this is the Iron Man Mark 42 suit from Iron Man 3. The actual 3D files that I used to make this were actually purchased online. I did not design them.
Okay.
But I had to do all of the scaling, harnessing, all of the electronics, and final assembly, and eventually painting of this suit. This is actually my second suit, and the only reason I did it is because 2008, I watched Iron Man, and I've always been enamored since I was a kid to be like, I want to be Tony Stark, building Iron Man suits and just being able to make really cool stuff. So I now use it as a means to challenge myself and grow. So I do more advanced electronics. I have wireless communication between each different part of my gloves, my forearms. My whole suit can move as well. So
That's
anything I
amazing.
can do to make it a little bit more challenging and fun, I do. In fact, this is actually broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal right now. So if you were to use your phone, you could actually log in and see where all of my flaps are at, the last command that was sent from one part to another, and a little live action of certain things that can actually move around for my suit, such as a working arc reactor.
So please tell me that you called that my phone could connect to, that you call that Jarvis.
I might have.
Okay.
So you'll have to find out.
I will have to find out. You're a brilliant human being, man.
Oh, you're too nice.
Well, not everybody has the capacity to say, I want to make really cool stuff, and has done that on their own and had such a big impact on the industry in their day job, right? So you're a brilliant dude.
I appreciate it. Did I mention my suit's all 100% 3D printed?
You said that you bought the plans. So how long did it take?
So this whole suit took about 15 months altogether to do. I originally had different gaunt hands and forearms that I then later found new and exciting models that will actually do really cool stuff so I can open and close them at will. These forearms took an additional 5 months to figure out and then put together, because I only got one right arm model. So I took that, I mirrored all the components so I could make the other side, and away I went.
I love that. What's next for the suit? Are you going to figure out how to fly?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. So the next steps for the suit will be smoke effects.
Okay.
So that my back thrusters will look like they're actually working.
That's awesome.
Some extra LED lights, and then real paint to make it look like it was manufactured out of metal instead of just raw 3D printed. As much as I love not having to sand and paint, I think that's my next step to grow and try and learn something new.
I love it, man. Do you go to Comic-Con and stuff like that in the suit? Are you a massive hit?
I love going to Comic-Cons. I recently went to the Toronto Comic-Con up in Toronto, of all places.
Sure.
And where I actually met 2 or 3 other like-minded Ironmen who also made their own suits, 3D printed and painted, and we all got to hang out and just be Ironmen and just geek out and comment on how cool each other's suits were.
I love it.
Plus figure out how nice, how good, and what different things we did when putting it together, because I've learned things from everybody I've talked to.
That's so cool, man. All right, so you're a sponge, you absorb information. What's the biggest takeaway you've gotten from the machining summit on the summit?
The biggest takeaway I've gotten is that we need to automate more of the process so that we are more hands off instead of just keeping on, this is the way we've done it forever.
Yeah.
We need to start evaluating our processes and making them better so that it's less hands-off, so we have more time to do the more critical roles, such as going to see people, make connections, and do real work at the end of the day.
I love it. I love it. I'm going to grab the microphone because I want to see that mask come down. Yeah, that's awesome. All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate you joining me today. That was a great conversation. Oh, you can shoot?
Pleasure.
All right.
And I like this bump too.
All right, cool. That was awesome.